Today we're making a fire. Here's the materials we need. Kindling. This will be our first set of fuel. We got wood shavings and dry leaves that I picked up off the grass. We got some cardboard here. It's a little wet, so we're not going to use it today, but it would work just the same as the wood shavings, or alternatively you could use paper. And then the next set of fuel is our small sticks, which is the kindling, which will go on top of the shavings. And then on top of that, our medium sticks, and then our large sticks and planks and logs to finish it off. So, ideally, you want to start with a base that kind of looks like a barbecue grill, and that allows the air to flow in underneath, because the most important thing about making a fire is to allow airflow so it doesn't suffocate. So that's the base we're going to use. That won't be what we light. We're going to build up on top of that. So we'll start by taking our tinder and putting it right in the middle there. We want to make sure that we can reach in and light that, so we want to leave an access point at the front here, and then we're going to build around that. So we'll take our kindling sticks and we'll put that on top there and just lay it all over the place. Make sure that it's not too densely packed, otherwise the oxygen won't be able to get in, and fire needs oxygen to burn. Then we take our medium sticks, and you can do this a couple different ways. You can make a teepee or a log cabin. Here, let me get out of the light. So I'm gonna do the log cabin just because it's easier to do with one hand. So it's just a crisscross pattern like you're building with Lincoln logs, and just stack them up like that. And you'll notice they're nice and spaced apart so that the flames can breathe. And look at that last one, and some medium planks. And out of the light, we'll put that on top there as well. And remembering to leave an access point to light that tinder in underneath. I don't know if you can see it there. And then our logs we will save to throw on after we've got the initial pile going, so that it doesn't get smothered. So all you gotta do now is take your lighter. Oh, in the light again. Reach in underneath and try and get some of those leaves or the wood shavings. Oh, right in there, come on. There we go. Oh, having a little trouble starting, but once it gets all caught, should be good to go. And you can help it along by gently blowing. Alright, that's not a good spot, so we'll go over here where there's some more shavings. Alright. Much better. To me, this is the hardest part. Alright, so now that that's going, it should catch the rest. And something to remember about fire is that it always burns up and the direction of the wind. So right now we're lucky and we don't have any wind to worry about, but I'm going to blow on it into the middle of the fire to help it get all the pieces of tinder caught. And the key is to be gentle, because as you saw, I just blew it out. So let's give it one more go here. Oh, that's much better. And gently blow. Alright, there we go. So everything's caught nicely. Took a little trouble to get it going, but everything's a little moist because I kind of waited till evening and everything's a little bit dewy now. But should just keep burning upwards and catching all the larger pieces as it moves up. And once we have it nice and big like that, we can set our logs on top. Alright, 1 and 2. And that's it. That's all there is to it.